Welcome to everybody. Today we discuss about spherical capacitor. A spherical capacitor consists of two concentric spherical sphere of inner and outer radii A and B. Suppose here it is the two cell of concentric sphere radii A and B, and suppose consider it is charge negative Q, negatively charged, and due to induction this cell attract all the positive charges from the cell of the radius B. So all the positive charge goes inward, and we know that if a sphere is charged, and if we calculate electric field at point P, then we consider that all the charge which is distributed over the sphere is concentrated at the center of the sphere. Then E, the expression of the E is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So here all the electric field lines is present between these two cells, but inside the cell there is no electric field, so E is equals to 0 in between here, and the outer cell not effect of its electric field because of the electrostatic shielding. So now we know the relation E is equals to minus dV by dr, and dV is equals to minus E dr. So now we have to find out capacitor between these two cell. So first of all we have to find out the potential difference between the two cells, and we know the expression of the capacitance C is equals to Q by B. By putting the value of the B, we easily find out capacitance between the two cell. So first we write here that we first consider a point P. So at point P electric field E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Okay, so now potential difference V is equals to minus A to B, because expression is dV is equals to minus E dr. It is the potential difference. If the 2 point is very close, suppose here, then it is the dV, and if we consider that the potential difference between the radius A cell and radius B cell is V, then V is equals to integration over A to B, then E dr is equals to putting the value of the E it will be E vector dot dr vector. So now one thing you have to know, that the electric field is going inward direction. For this case, due to positive, it is also outward, so in the same direction. But the radius, it is the r distance, so r is the distance displacement vector, and displacement vector is always from the center to outward, always from the center to outward. So r and E vector is opposite direction, so the theta between E vector and dr vector is 180 degree. So E dot dr is equals to E dr cos 180 degree. So it is minus E dr. Okay. So it is equals to positive A to B E dr. Now putting the value of E 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, also Q common, so Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integration A to B 1 by r square dr is equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, the integration 1 by r square dr is 1 by r A upper sign B. So Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, putting the limit, first upper limit, so it is if we common the minus, then 1 by B minus 1 by A, so as it is minus of 1 by B minus 1 by A, so we can write 1 by A minus 1 by B. It is equals to we can write Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A B B minus A. Now capacitance C is equals to Q by V is equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught B minus A by AB. Therefore C is equals to Q and Q goes cancel out, 4 pi epsilon naught AB by B minus A. So it is the expression of the capacitance of a spherical capacitor. So next class we will discuss about cylindrical capacitor.